Okay, so the first step is you're gonna go to your YouTube video and make sure you are logging into Facebook as well. Also, there's more videos, guys, on how to build websites, blogs, how to sell online, how to make money online. There's some other websites that I'm sharing with you on how to sell from home. Okay, so I'm gonna pick this channel. And after this video, I'm gonna show you guys in another video how to link YouTube to Facebook and how to link Facebook to Instagram. Okay, so that way you don't have to do so much. So that way you don't have to be sharing every time you make a video. You don't have to be sharing that on your social media, so that people can just come inside your Instagram or Facebook platform and they can just go straight to your YouTube channel. Okay, and that's how you grow your channel. Okay, so once you're already inside your YouTube channel, you're gonna go ahead and pick the right whatever is it that you're trying to share, right? You're gonna, let me example, I have this video right here. So what you're gonna do, as you can see here,
everybody's having a good day.
There's a button right here that says share. Let me use this real quick. Okay, you'll see this button right here, right? So I'm gonna click there and I'm gonna get the URL right here. I'm gonna go ahead and click on copy. I'm gonna go to my Facebook profile. And this is totally free. Facebook won't take your YouTube video down anymore. The algorithms allow YouTube to share content on Facebook and Twitter, Instagram, any other platform, okay? So all you gotta do is, once you have already copied the link or the URL from YouTube, from your YouTube video, you are gonna go ahead and title your video, right? So let's say, in this case, I'm sharing a video on how to buy a domain. I'm gonna click here. How to buy a domain with GoDaddy. That's just an example, guys, okay? Okay. So now that you wrote a title, you know, because it's always important that you write a title for your audience, so that way they know what the video is about. Just a little title and a little description there. So once you have already copied the URL from YouTube, from your YouTube video, you are gonna go ahead and just paste it there. Remember to write a small title for the video, and then just you paste the URL from YouTube, and this URL is the YouTube video. Okay, so and there it is. It's so easy. So that's what it is. So first of all, you log in into Facebook, get the video link or video URL from YouTube, and then just once you're already on Facebook, you can go ahead and title the video, and then just paste the link in there and ready to share. And people, it's gonna be able to watch your video as many times as they want. Okay, so that was, I'm not gonna post this video, obviously. I'm just giving you an example, guys, okay? Okay, so that was just Facebook. Now, if you wanna learn about how to post it on Twitter, you're gonna do pretty much the same thing. Remember, you're gonna go to YouTube. You can either click on the share button or you can click on the screen, and it's gonna give you the URL, which is the same, okay, guys? So you're gonna go to Instagram, and then on Instagram, where it says website right here, you can put the video. I'm gonna drive you first. You're gonna have to log in inside your you're gonna have to log in inside your Instagram account, and then from Instagram account, you're gonna go where it says right here on my right side. You're gonna click on edit the profile, and then once you already clicked on edit profile, you are gonna go where it says websites. So you can either add the link, the video URL on the website, um, little square right there, or you can just write something here and then just paste the video here, and there it is. And then just click on confirm, submit, and I'm gonna click on submit. So as you can see, and then we're gonna go back to my profile, and as you can see here it is. Now people can just click there and go straight to my YouTube video, okay? Or you can do this. Well, that's fine. Well, that was just Instagram. Now, if you wanna share something from YouTube to Twitter, we're gonna be doing this exactly the same thing. So these three social media platforms work pretty much the same, and all three of them allow you to share your YouTube content there. Okay. So again, go to your video, click right, copy URL, and then you're gonna go to your Twitter, go to your profile, which I am already on my profile, and very easy. You're gonna go ahead and just tweet. You can either add the video right here on top, or create a tweet. Let me find this. Hold on. I'm gonna show you guys how to actually look. You can share the video by tweeting it. You just copy and paste. Remember always to title your video. Or once you already copy and paste the URL from YouTube to Twitter or any other social media platform, it's sometimes the platforms are gonna give you the title and the description automatically. Okay, so there you go. You Twitter, boom, and your video will appear. But in this case, I'm not gonna Twitter. I don't need to. I don't want this. So that was it. That was it for this particular video, guys. On my next video, I'm gonna show you guys how to link YouTube. This is not gonna be a YouTube video. This is gonna be about your YouTube channel, how to link YouTube channel to Facebook and Instagram and Twitter. Okay, so I'll see you on my next video, guys. If you like this video, make sure you like it and subscribe for more content. Okay.